Welcome to your personal AI investing Copilot built at the heart of Pluto. Today, I want to show you how best to interact with your AI Copilot for building automations, conducting market research, and Canvas. So let's get started. Meet Plato, named after the great philosopher and your new AI Copilot in your investing journey. Interacting with Plato is intuitive and straightforward. You can ask him questions and give him instructions, and he'll provide responses or even take actions based on your inputs. For example, we could ask him a simple query, like what's the latest news on Tesla? And you'll get a straightforward response with news articles and links to read and explore more. You can also ask more complex questions of Plato, like what key factors should I consider when evaluating Tesla for competitive edge and potential growth? Plato helps you find the information so you can make better and more informed decisions. You can also instruct Plato to execute actions on your behalf. You can tell Plato to create a strategy based on your own specific parameters, such as buying or selling a stock before it hits a certain value. Plato can also run tests on your investing strategies before you execute them. All you have to do is ask, how would this strategy have performed in 2021? Now you can study those tests to better form your investing strategies before you execute them. You can probe the data and ask more questions to further elaborate and build more knowledge. These results arm you with the data and insights you need to make informed decisions. Let's break the ice on Pluto Canvas. These dashboards enable our users to monitor specific stocks, track portfolio performance, and follow market trends. And it's pretty easy to get started creating these dashboards that are powered by AI. All you have to do is click the Create Canvas button. Take a peek at some already existing canvases, or you can create your own. To create your own, all you have to do is enter a prompt. For an example, we could explore Tesla and their competitors. All we do now is click Finish. Once the canvas is generated, you should see a variety of widgets. If the widget doesn't meet your needs, you can adjust the size, change the prompt, or re-roll for 4 new AI-generated variations. Once you're done, you can share your dashboard with others using an image or a shareable link. This is just the surface. Remember, Plato is here to assist you. He's creative, adaptable, and eager to help you succeed. Don't hesitate to push his limits and ask for help or clarification whenever you need it. He is great at clarifying. However, please note that Plato does not give investment advice. The whole Pluto team is excited to add features that our users want to see, which is why your feedback is so important to us. Drop a comment below if there's any features you'd like explained or added to the platform. That's gonna be all for now, and to our new users, welcome to Pluto, and welcome to the future of investing. Later, traders.